Hey everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create 4 different types of skirt. And you will see how easy it is to make them inside of Marvel's Designer or CLO3D. Let's make them. Alright, first, to make any skirt, of course you need a waistband. So I'm going to make it with a rectangle pattern like this. Then I'm going to go and arrange it to the waist area and symmetric paste that, segment so the front and the back like that, and simulate. Let's make it a bit tighter like this. Now with the edit pattern, with the edit sewing tool, I'm gonna right click and merge it and then delete these points so I have a single pattern. For now, just freeze it. The first skirt I'm going to show you, which is very simple with the ellipse tool. So I'm going to select this tool, hold shift and then drag it to make a perfect uniform ellipse. Now let's rotate it like this and place it here. And I'm going to make a hole right in the middle. But before that, let's see the length of this line, which is 644. Now I'm going to go and select internal ellipse tool, and right in the middle it will automatically snap. I'm going to single click and I'm going to select this circumference and type here 644.5, which is this length. I'm going to select that entire internal line, the right click and convert to hole. So you have a hole in the middle. Now with the free sew tool, so free sewing, I'm going to sew it like this and I'm going to sew it like this. And then of course simulate. So you have a basic skirt. Like this is the easiest skirt you can ever make. Alright, let's shift this middle hole to kind of like a bottom while holding shift like this. Now if you simulate, you can see a different type of shape that it makes, which is like that. And you can select all this internal line of the outside. So here's a quick tip. If you select it, it will be selected. It will be yellow. And then on the selected line, just double click to select all the internal line. Now select it with the transform point and segment tool and double click in this middle to activate the pivot. And then you can increase the size of the skirt like this. You can see you have really a different type of skirt which looks completely different. Now if you want to make more like this design, you can select that and then drag it down even more and simulate so you have amazing style of skirt. So this is the first easiest skirt you can ever make. Now I'm going to change the shape from the ellipse to rectangle and you're going to see it will create a different kind of skirt with these. Let's delete this and add a rectangle with holding shift, uniform rectangle, and then same thing, just rotate it, place it there, and then rotate 45 degree while holding shift so it will snap in the 45-degree angle like this. Add an internal ellipse with the 644.5. From here I'm gonna single click circumference and 644.5. hit OK. And then you can also rotate, select that and rotate it like this while holding shift so it will snap in the 45-degree angle. And then select that, right click, convert to hole, and then sew it like that. And now you can see very different kind of skirt with just changing the shape from circle to a square. It's that simple to make in CLO3D or Marvel's Designer. You can select that and make different kind of skirt, like a long skirt like this. And it's that simple. Alright, So I hope you can see how easy it is to change the entire style of this skirt with a snap. Now let's see different shape. For that, I'm gonna select the ellipse and uniform the ellipse like this, and then I'm gonna delete all these crop points except for this and this, this and this. So let's delete, and select first and then delete that. Select this point and this point with the transform point tool. Double click in the middle to activate this pivot, and then drag it like this, and select that. Convert to double click and then like this. Select this, right click, and convert to curve point. So they're a bit of curve. Now I'm gonna select this, double click, and change the shape just a bit, like I'm gonna change this shape just a bit also. So I have something like this, and select both and make it just like that. All right, now I'm gonna select that and then rotate it like that. Same thing as you did before. Internal ellipse, then in the middle it will automatically snap. Single click, circumferences, and 644.5. Hit OK, right click, convert to a hole, and sew it, and then simulate. So you will have a complete different type of skirt with changing, with this shape, and it will always look amazing. So you can also change the length of this, something like that, and it's the different kind of skirt. Now let's jump to the final skirt design and see how easy it is to make. So we delete that and add another uniform circle, and that what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select this internal polygon line and I'm gonna draw in the middle like this, and also like this. And with this add point tool, I'm gonna hover over here and right click, uniform split, so I have this point directly in the middle of this segment. We'll do the same thing here as well. Uniform split, and uniform split. Then again, I'm gonna connect this like that as well, and I'm gonna select all these lines, right click, delete all curves, so it will shape like that. And then I'm gonna select this edit curve point, right click, uniform split, so I have right in the middle. Do this to every edges like that. Now with the same tool, you can just select that and drag it to make a curve like that. Right click and type 30, and you have to do the same thing to all the curve. 30, same here, 30, same here as well, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. Now I have a shape something like that. Internal ellipse right in the middle, single click, circumferences, and 644.5. Then right click, convert to hole, and then rotate. Let's place it here as well, and I'm gonna make it I'm gonna make this bigger, and then sew it like that, and then simulate. And now you have a skirt something like that. And if you want this curve to go really wild, you can select this curve and then curve it maybe 50 more, like that. Now you have really different kind of shape, skirt, something like that. If you really want to go really wild, you can go beyond that. This is just the matter of your imaginations. So yeah, that's it. That's the whole video, and I hope you have learned how easy it is to manipulate the shape to make different kind of dress or skirt inside of CLO3D or Morpheus Designer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next time. Bye.